Hi, this is Midori. I am going to share the process we took for this research project. Let me share the screen first. Here we go. So first kickoff was an in-person one-day workshop in June 2022. We all gathered at one of our existing art and design buildings and shared time, space, food, and our brief background. And together, we learned about critical race theory. Personally, it was very striking to see how many spaces with discriminatory expressions exist in our society and how impacting it is to us. For 11 weeks from September, we met for 1.5 hours every week. First step was building community as a team with sharing detailed background through creating identity boards. I was amazed how diverse we are and how each of us has such a rich story to share. Next, we gathered pictures from many different spaces and analyzed them. We noticed that not only those spaces are designed based on people's unconscious bias, or those spaces help develop our bias, vice versa. Also, we took a deep dive into the factors that are making us feel uncomfortable, why we feel that way. This is our social-spatial context board. Everyone in this team added information we gathered on this board. It includes historical, geographical, scientific, and cultural data. After gathering much information, it is time for defining research focus. We discussed who we want to talk, what we want to ask and find out, and how we want to reach out. Then we decided to conduct a BIPOC student individual interviews and focus group discussion with BIPOC students. We wanted to provide a safe and private space for individuals to gather honest opinions. By accumulating ideas through discussion, we wanted to gather a variety of perspectives that could be difficult to notice if individually. These are the questions that we conducted for the interviews and discussion. After gathering so many questions based on our experience, feelings, thoughts, knowledge, and interactions, we prioritized, organized, and articulated them. An interview guide was created, and individual interviews are held either in person or virtually. The group dialogue session was held from one of our classrooms in our art and design buildings in a hybrid format. We also visited their studios and other spaces in person. Graphic design, architecture, studios practice, social practice, undergraduate students and graduate students. Each has different spaces and resources. Finally, we analyzed that transcript based on our research. How can we make the space more inclusive? The goal of our project is to identify issues and ideas. Now, we would like to share what we found from this project.